Going to do a simple makeup with you guys and using a couple of new things. I am going back to UK in a couple of months, fingers crossed. Can't really continuously purchasing new makeup because I need to bring them with me. Please do bear with me. I may have less new product review videos, but going to share more Chinese makeup videos with you guys. Bought a new eyeshadow palette from Girlcult. Give you a little mirror. This is very cute. I have to say, when you purchase things in China, especially Chinese makeup, they give you way much more samples, giveaways than UK, for example. And those two are free gifts as well. This is eye primer. Oh, very cute little pot. And it's like this. I haven't tried it. How to... Oh, okay. Blue undertone. You feel the texture is just like a lip balm. Oh, but once you apply it on the skin, it's like those pore minimizing primers, like sealed your skin right away and dry, not non-sticky. And then they give you a makeup removal. And this one is, oh, it's the brush cleaner, like this. It's like a very harsh sponge. I like this thing, it's very, very handy. Oh, wow. This is the actual palette. It's very stylish. Very attention to details. It's like a, especially here, see, like a space thing. When you open, you have a big mirror over here, and those are the color combinations. This color is not powder, it's, yeah, ooh, it's so creamy. It's like a base, like a concealer almost, the texture. But I don't think the coverage is like a concealer, I don't think so, but it's certainly evened out your eyelid. I think that's the purpose for it. And here's the full swatch. The color saturation is really good. Pigmentation is also excellent. It's medium to high pigment, and the powder is really, really fine. I'm quite impressed. Personally feel they are very good mix, not only about the color combinations as well as the texture. They are matte, glitter, and metallic colors. There is one more special one, which is this black. Originally I thought it was just eyeshadow. It's actually not. It's a eyeliner. It's like gel eyeliner, glue like that type of texture. Quite an interesting one, right? We're going to use this one. For the base will be very quick. Firstly, use a concealer. Please do ignore my nail polish. I know it could be, you know, annoying to some of you. Recently it has been very, very busy. Concealer is down, then powder. FLORASIS one. I've bought a new one already to save it up because once I gone back to UK, the shipping challenge will be the same as you guys. I will have to wait it way much longer than my current shipping timing. Okay, going to use the eye primer. Okay, as a simple one, let's grab this one to start with. They are fallout. See? I think I'm going to use this color for the entire eyelid. Now I'm going to use this lovely pink color for the under eye area. Mix this too for the out corner. Same for the under eye, just the out corner. Okay, I'm going to use this one. Okay, intrigued to try this like eyeliner, gelled liner. I use a slightly thicker angled brush to do the waterline first, just to see how the color actually glues it on. Very good. Very easy to be glided on. You can either drag it along or you just tap. For the wing out, it's not bad, but you certainly need to use a even slimmer angled brush. And I'm going to use this dark brown color to soften the eyeliner. Looks more like natural. Nice. Use the same dark brown color just to balance out my like eye shape. Now blush, going to use to match this one. Use a little puff to get the lightest color. The middle of your face. Can you guys see the difference? Use a brush, dip into this color, and then focus the area where it's under your eyeball towards the highest point of your cheek, the small triangle. You can tap or like sweep like this, just gently. Okay, then use the dark, slightly darker one. Apply the area like connecting your face and contour. Although I haven't contoured yet, I think I'm just going to use the blush to contour today. For the lip, I bought a new lipstick from Gucci. It is color 208. Very, very pretty packaging. It's a very young, energetic color. It is low saturation, therefore it's not like a full coverage, at least from these swatches, but I really like this color. It's like jelly, orange jelly. You see, this type of color will be like, depends on your own lip color. This color can present very differently on individuals. Ooh, I like it. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I'm going to do more makeup tutorials or get ready with me and more vlogging based videos until I'm gone back and settled in UK. I can't buy too many new makeups within this couple of months because I have to carry them with me. But if you have any, particular makeup look or some tutorials you like me to do, please do leave your comments down below. Although I'm not a professional makeup artist, but me and you, we're like friends. I can search those tutorials for you guys and try it on myself, share my best practice with you. Hope you also like today's video. Don't forget to leave your comments and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you on my next one.